How much should you actually spend on a double wall oven? Because you'll find some options that are dirt cheap and others that are pretty pricey. But you need to know which ones are actually worth it. Product number 1, Cosmo Haven Double Wall Oven. The Cosmo Haven Double Electric Wall Oven caught my eye right away, especially with its sleek stainless steel design and a price tag of $2,099.99. If you want consistent, evenly cooked food with added convenience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Turbo True European Convection feature cooks your meals evenly in less time, meaning no more burnt edges or undercooked centers. It has a solid 5 cubic feet capacity in both ovens, so you can whip up that holiday feast without breaking a sweat. Plus, with 7 cooking modes, like convection bake and proof, you'll have the versatility to tackle any recipe. The self-cleaning option is a lifesaver too, as you can let high temperatures do the heavy lifting when it comes to cleaning. Now, some people complained about the oven not heating up as fast as they expected. Here's the thing though, most convection ovens take a bit longer to preheat. For regular baking, it's not a deal breaker, but if you're in a rush, just keep that in mind. This is perfect for you if you love to cook for family gatherings and need reliability. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option. Overall, it's a solid value for the features you get. Now, if the price tag on the Cosmo bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its smart features. Product number 2, Samsung Smart Double Wall Oven. The Samsung Smart Double Wall Oven is priced at $4,099, and honestly, it's a step up in technology. What caught my attention is its Wi-Fi connectivity features that let you control it from your smartphone. If you want a tech-savvy oven that cooks efficiently, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual convection system cooks food faster and more evenly, which is essential for those busy weeknights when you're juggling multiple dishes. The Steam Cook feature is a game changer for achieving that perfect crispy finish while keeping the insides tender. With a capacity of 5.1 cubic feet, you can fit larger dishes easily. Some reviews mentioned the complex controls can be a bit daunting at first. I'll be real with you. It might take a little time to get used to the various settings. But once you do, the convenience of monitoring your oven remotely is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you love modern technology and cooking multiple dishes at once. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward oven without all the bells and whistles. It's definitely a worthy investment for a smart kitchen. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for massive cooking capacity. Product number 3, Forno Vomero Double Wall Oven. Next up is the Forno Vomero 30-inch Double Wall Oven, priced at $1,547. This one has a massive 10 cubic feet cooking capacity. If you're someone who loves hosting large gatherings, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With dual 5 cubic foot oven cavities, you can bake multiple large dishes at once, making meal prep a breeze. The convection feature ensures even cooking and perfect browning, which is key when you're trying to impress guests. Plus, the self-cleaning function makes maintenance super easy. Just set it and forget it. Now, some early reviews pointed out that it doesn't have as many advanced features as some pricier options. But honestly, if you're just looking for a workhorse oven that gets the job done without fuss, it's not a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you often cook large meals or want an oven that can handle big family dinners. Skip this one if you need advanced smart features or a sleek design. It offers excellent value for its capacity and performance. Now, if you're after a true professional finish, the next oven is one you definitely want to check out. Product number 4, Zline Autograph Edition Double Wall Oven. Last but not least is the Zline Autograph Edition Double Wall Oven, priced at $3,239.99. This beauty not only looks stunning with its champagne bronze handles, but also offers professional-grade cooking. If you want a kitchen centerpiece that performs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features true convection for even heating and an air fry mode for healthier cooking without all that oil. You'll get perfect results whether you're baking, roasting, or air frying your favorite dishes. The dual 5 cubic foot ovens mean you can cook multiple meals at once. Plus, The elegant design adds a touch of luxury to your kitchen. Now, some customers have mentioned that the controls could be more intuitive. I get it. For a premium product, you expect everything to be easy. However, once you familiarize yourself with the touchscreen panel, it's actually pretty straightforward. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, high-performance oven that can handle everything from everyday meals to gourmet cooking. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's a worthwhile investment for serious cooks who appreciate quality and aesthetics. So, to wrap it up, you've got the reliable Cosmo, the tech-savvy Samsung, the massive capacity Forno, and the stylish line. Each has its strengths, depending on what you're looking for. Take your time to think about what fits your cooking style best.